Here I have AMG MS6 and let me show you how to activate and adjust auto hold brake settings on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the car icon. From the following list, you need to choose here the driving control, the first section, and then scroll down. And as you can see here, you can find the auto hold. So you can enable or disable the auto hold just by using this switcher. So when the main auto hold switch is active, the car will automatically keep the brakes locked for you when you come to a complete stop at a red light, allowing you to safely take your foot off the brake pedal. The mode, as you can see right here, the mode setting beneath it lets you choose how hard you need to press the brake pedal to engage this feature. Light press locks the brakes with a gentle tap, while heavy press requires a firm push to prevent it from turning on accidentally during tight parking maneuvers. So you can decide. I like to use on the light press, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.